Your turn. Then E, 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 and say ba. And then D, 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 and say ba. And then E, 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 and say ba. Now at this point, some people like to go like this. They like to go E, G, G, and that's totally cool. If you like it that way, do it that way. It is your song. That's one of the great things about making your own music. Let's go down to measure 5 and repeat after me. E, D, C, D. Your turn. And then, how many E's do we see right here? We go E, 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 E. And how many was that? Was it 4 or 400? No, it was just 4. Now don't play 5 and don't play 3. Make sure to play exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. And then D, D, E, D. And we could probably do one last note right here. Go C, and then say ba, ba, ba. Okay, that sounded like a laughing lamb. You can just make it sound like a normal lamb, like ba. And that's all of page 1. But remember, this is one of our first long songs from level 2. So now let's go to the top of page 2. And look, we're in a different place now. We're not on C4, D4, and E4. We have moved up, all the way up here. Let's take a look on the other camera here. We were on C4 before. Then we're going to have to go D, E, F, G, A, B, C. The first one is about in the middle of the keyboard. That's usually about in front of your belly button. But if we're going to go up here, this is going to be by your right arm or by your right shoulder. C5, and it sounds higher like that. Now play C, D, E. We're looking at our regular piano here. We can see we were on middle C before. And we're going to go all the way up here. C, D, E. And this is where even if you're left-handed, you might want to use just your right hand. Now let's try page 2, starting up on C5, D5, and E5. E, D, C, D. Your turn. Then E, 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 and say ba. And then D, 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 and say ba. And then E, 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 and ba. And make sure not to go E like that. We want to make sure they go nice and steady, like E, 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 and then ba. Like the ticking of a clock. We're going to see that one more time down here too. Let's go to the next part. E, D, C, D. Your turn. And then here we have 4 E's again. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. And now go crazy for a second. Just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then say, that was really wrong. Because what we want to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Or I like to pretend like I'm a clock sometimes and go tick, 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 tick. And then the last part, D, D, E, D, C, and then ba, ba, ba. And I would say you have done not just a great job, but you have done not bad. Give yourself a round of applause, and bravo, let's be playful. Great job.